They say you don't really understand something until you are able to explain it to your grandma. And with the current DevOps trends, we're barely able to explain it to ourselves. You probably already heard of the term DevOps, but it appears to have different meanings depending on the day you ask. So let's have a look in simple terms at what the current scene of DevOps has to offer. Let's say you have a restaurant and it's gotten so popular that you develop a delivery system to grow your reach and start serving more customers. You quickly realize that managing incoming orders, food, preparation, and delivery men, it's getting increasingly difficult, and sales start to decrease because of the service that is unreliable and customers start to complain. You go to an old friend, a great businessman and restaurant chain owner. He tells you not to worry and that the only thing you need is to hire one more guy, the DevOps guy. He might start implementing an app for customers to create orders and automatically assign them to the kitchen staff and notify the closest delivery man to start preparing for the upcoming delivery. He might also have you start offering free appetizers in exchange for customer service that will help the staff detect deficiencies in services and fix them as quickly as possible. Lastly, he might even go as far as to demand a whole cultural shift for the entire restaurant, where everyone helps the one with difficulties and where blame and finger pointing are not existent. This is DevOps, a set of tools, methodologies, and cultural shifts to allow integration, visibility, automation, and communication between the whole team. Congratulations, your business is once again a success. The cash is flowing and light fills the room. But wait a second, before you start celebrating, take a look around. All the other food places are thriving too. It's a matter of time until your own clients gets bored and move to the latest trend. Luckily, your DevOps guy never gets left behind. These are the top 3 DevOps trends you need to know. The first DevOps trend is Microservices and Orchestration. You don't have delivery men running around in the kitchen, nor the chefs taking the food straight to the tables. In a restaurant, everyone has a job and should not worry about stuff happening outside their area. This is the Microservices principle, breaking down the applications into more manageable pieces so you will be able to scale, develop, and change microservices without worrying about what the other parts are doing. And less worrying means more time to get work actually done. Orchestration's technologies like Kubernetes and ECS are the manager that helps everything get together, assists with new changes getting implemented in the restaurant, hires new people when needed, and even sends people on vacations when the week is a little slow. The second DevOps trend is serverless computing. When teams don't have to focus on managing servers, they can spend more resources and energy on building great applications. Serverless is a technology where you only pay for the computing time you use, without launching a single server. It offers great flexibility to adapt capacity, scaling up and down according to the market demands and cutting down expenses. Imagine you had a room full of customers and you could appear a new restaurant out of thin air with a few fully equipped kitchen, chairs, tables, and a whole new crew to serve the new demand. If this sounds too futuristic, it's because it is. Serverless is one of the most relevant DevOps trends and will continue to be for a long time. The third and last DevOps trend is artificial intelligence and machine learning. And now that we are in the future, we can get a brand new robot servant that does all the hard stuff for us. It's an expert on everything you might need, and so far we might not find something it cannot learn. It's kinda scary, but this technology is proving to make our life easier and take us to a whole other level. ChatGPT and the AWS high-level machine learning services are out-of-the-box tools you can easily start using today on your DevOps pipelines and processes. We hope this video about DevOps trends gives you a basic understanding of what needs to be done and what can help you to make your applications business grow and succeed. But keep in mind that this is by no means a complete list of the current state and technologies of DevOps. So if you are still a little confused, I invite you to take a look at our DevOps resources so you can learn more about it. Also, remember that you can contact us all for your development and DevOps needs.